Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton. This is my YouTube channel, Dalton My World. Thank you for coming back. And for my new subscribers, thank you. All right, now, today is something I've been wanting to talk to you about. I reached out to another YouTube creator because I knew that I wanted to just fine tune some of my videos a little bit better. Okay, and her name is Sunny Lenore Z. Okay, I will put her. I hope I didn't butcher it. I will put her name in the text. Okay, so you can go and check out her YouTube channel. It's awesome. Her past videos and her new videos, awesome. I love the transition she goes through. But I reached out to her and about a good video editor, and she told me about KineMaster. Now, I've heard about KineMaster in the past, and I decided, okay, let me really give it a shot. Okay, and it only took her 2 days to reach back, for free. She was just so kind to do so, and I thank her for it. Okay, it only took her 2 days to get back to me, and she told me about KineMaster and one of the videos that she has actually created on free apps to use so you can edit your videos. Now, don't get shocked and freak out when I say edit. Edit means just to change in any way, a small way. If you change your video in a small way, you edit it. Okay? I know you have a lot of big YouTubers, and they'll tell you that they spend 5 hours and 9 hours editing. They can do that. That doesn't mean you have to. Okay? And I am a new YouTuber, so also my YouTube channel is my hobby. Okay, it's not the way I make my money. So therefore, I didn't want to try to get a 4-year degree on learning how to editing. Okay, a lot of people already have advantage. If they're in photography or with all that stuff, they already have advantage in that. So if you're a new YouTuber, you're new to this software is awesome. This software has changed my life. It has changed the way I can express myself in videos. I use the text when it comes to KineMaster. I use the text because I lived in 5 states, or over 5 states, and some of them in deep south. So you hear a country sound coming out of me, and some of them was up in Seattle. So it was Oklahoma all the way down to Seattle. So I have a unique voice, but a lot of times some people do not understand what I'm saying. So it's really, really good to be able to put a text in there so people can articulate what I'm saying. Also, I slur my words sometimes. And it's good to be able to put text in there in your videos. So, especially if you have a different accent. And that way people can articulate what you're saying. They can understand what you're saying, and then they can work with it. Okay, and then they get the value out of your videos. So this video is about KineMaster. Okay, and I love it. It's changed my life, and I thank Sunny L for hooking me up and leading me to this. And other people have told me about it in the past, but it was some about her video that she created about it helped me really want to dive into it. Okay, and the cool thing about KineMaster, I got my cue cards. All right, now, oh yeah, it gives you great video quality. Okay, that's one thing I do like about it, and it gives you a lot of little things that you can do. You can fade in and fade out, and it makes it so easy. Okay, now there's a paid version and there's a free version. The free version is what I use. Why? One, I'm cheap. Two, this is a hobby for me. So, but the paid version takes away the watermark. The watermark is going to be on the very top, and it's going to say something like "Made by KineMaster." Okay, paid version isn't expensive at all. It's only like $3.99 a month, and it opens up a treasure chest of tons of stuff that you could use and add in your video. Okay, I mean, I was just like, wow, when I was looking at it. Okay, but the free version also gives you a lot of stuff that you can use, as you can see with some of my past videos. Now, this, as I stated, this has changed my life. Now, the pay version, I believe, is $3.99 a month. Okay, but I mean, it's like I said, it's a good investment if this is something that you're doing it to make your money, to make your career or something like that. You're making your as YouTube is a side hustle. It's worth the investment. Okay, and I mean, it has some of the coolest effects. It has really changed my life, y'all. Okay, and I really am appreciative of KineMaster. Also, the cool thing, KineMaster also has a free guide you can download too. Okay, so not only do you get the free software, which you can pay for, you also get a free guide. Now, I'm gonna show you an example of this. Okay, now there's a couple things I wanted to show you real quick. Now, this is KineMaster right there. I don't know if you can see it. See that? That's KineMaster. Okay, that's their logo. All right, so you'll know it, and it works on Android. Now, this is my government phone. It works on my government phone. So you know if it works on this, it'll work on the other phones. Now, it works on Android and Apple iOS, iPhones. Okay, and I tell you what, I have not downloaded it onto my tablet. I'm sure it does work on tablets too. You know, I haven't downloaded. I don't use video on my tablet. Anyway, let me show you. So when I open up the app, a couple things I wanted to show you here. When I open up app, you hit allow it so it can have access to your videos and your pictures. Okay. Now, when you edit a video, you can if you mess up on a video, that's fine, because it does not take away from your original video. Your original video always stays on your device. So, and the best thing I would tell you to do is to make a little video just so you can have fun with it and learn. Okay, not something you're going to upload to YouTube. Just make a little video like I did. And that way you can have fun with it. You can get your hands dirty, really get into it and learn and see some of the editing tools that you want to use. Okay? Now, let's see here if I can get that. Yeah. Now, all right, now, you're going to see something like this. All right? Then you will click on the middle button. All right? And usually I go for the long view like that. It looks better to me it looks better when you're doing the YouTube. And you can edit these videos for YouTube, you can edit them for Instagram, you can edit videos that you're gonna upload to Facebook. Okay, no matter what you wanna upload it to, you can use this to edit it. Okay. Now, and then basically, once you hit that middle button, you'll search for the video you made. Okay, and I already made one. I don't know if y'all can see that. I already made one right there. So I'm gonna tap on that. Bring that up. Okay. And then once I tap on the video I want, which I did, you see this little, at the very top of that little right there, you click on that to get started. It look like a little check mark. Click on that to get started. See my video? Now, and then at the bottom, you'll see a little arrow. That's how you start the video. so you can listen to it. Okay, so then what I want to show you, main thing I want to show you, you see where it says layer? Right there, it says layer. You're going to click on that. And when you do that, it gives you the option. I don't know if you can see that. It gives you the option on the side to put in text. So I always click text. I'm just going to put in something like hi. Oops. All right, hi. There you go. That's all I wanted. Put that in there. H-I. Hit OK. Once you put your text in, you can hit OK. And this gives you the ability to make your text bigger. You see it? See that? Stretch it out. And you can even change the color of it. Let's make it gold. You see that? Hi. Change the color of it. Now what's important is once you do that, once you finish putting your little text in there, you click the little checkpoint up there again, and that saves it. Just that simple. All right. And another thing I wanted to show you, and it's really, like I said, it's really important for me to be able to put text in my videos because of my accent, also because of certain words. And I really want people to, especially when I do my help videos, my videos that I create to help people, I want them to understand where to go, what I'm trying to say, so they'll be able to help themselves with it. My videos don't just help other people, it helps me as well. Now, the last thing I wanted to show you is at the very top, once you're ready, you see that at the very top, right there? See that? You're gonna click on that. And when you click on that, it'll give you this screen. All right? Once it gives you that screen, you'll click export. See where it says export? You click export. And now it's creating that video. And once it's done, you'll be able to upload that video to YouTube, Facebook, wherever. It's just that simple. Okay? It has changed my life, and I'm sure it'll change yours too. But I wanted to create this video about KineMaster because it helped me so much, and this is really good advice for new YouTubers. It can help you too, even if you're experienced experienced YouTuber, or even if you have like my friend Stephanie, she has her Facebook. So whatever video you got and you want to upload, whether it be long or small, now you can edit it, a couple simple steps. It's super easy. And like I said, they also have a downloadable guide for free to show you how to go through the steps of doing other things, editing, adding text, and all that stuff. Okay, all this is free. Okay, so it's worth giving the paid version as well. Now, I don't get any money for doing this. I'm doing this because it helped me, and I think it'll help you too. All right, so that's my YouTube. That's my YouTube video on KineMaster. I hope you enjoyed it. I ask you to subscribe. Share this, please, with other people, especially other new YouTubers and other new Facebook uploaders. Subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I welcome your comments. And of course, I thank you. And I'll rap to y'all later. Peace.